Hi, I'm Alex from Carbonlinked. In this video series, I'll show you how to buy NZC using Uniswap. NZC is the tokenized New Zealand Emission Unit. By buying NZC, you have a real impact on New Zealand's emission future. Buying NZC reduces the net supply of NZUs. This makes it more expensive for New Zealand emitters to release new greenhouse gases. Getting into Web3 can be pretty scary, which is why I've broken this into this series into 3 parts. First is getting a wallet, next is getting Ether onto that wallet, and then finally is using Uniswap to get NZC. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a MetaMask wallet, which is very popular and easy to use. First step is we're going to head over to carbonlinked.com. We're then going to head down to the Buy NZC button. This will take us to the Uniswap interface, which we'll use later on to buy Ether as well as swapping for NZC. We're going to click on this button here. It says Connect Wallet. This creates a prompt to connect any of these 4 wallets. We're going to go ahead and click on the MetaMask. We're going to click Download for Chrome. It's worth noting this is available in other browsers. I use Chrome, I like Chrome. We're going to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Awesome. So now we're at the stage where we've downloaded the extension and we can start creating a wallet. We're going to click here, say create a new wallet. I will agree to this, create a password. Okay, so at this stage of creating a wallet, it's worth to take a pause, and that pause is just because the next steps are really important. In the world of Web3, your asset security is governed by a private key. With the MetaMask wallet, it uses a seed phrase to determine that private key. And so the seed phrase is very important. The next steps in your wallet creation is that this video will explain the seed phrase and how that works, as well as revealing the seed phrase. If this is your first time creating a wallet, I highly recommend you go slow and you write down the seed phrase in a physical source that you can store privately and securely later on. If you were to lose your seed phrase, you can lose control of your assets, you lose your assets. If someone was to gain that seed phrase, they can have control of the assets. So it's really important that you store it in a spot that's private and secure and offline. So if you followed the prompts, you should receive this page here, which says, hey, we've created a wallet successfully. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and click got it. We're going to confirm. Next, done. This is a pop-up for security. It's new. Close that. And then we're going to go ahead and pin the MetaMask extension to the browser. That's just because it's really easy to interact with in the future. Okay, so this is our wallet. And it's one cool way to think about your wallet is like a telescope for the blockchain. Where you use the telescope to look at the blockchain and to look at your assets, but you need to tell it what to look at. And we'll be doing this in this tutorial. One thing we'll do is we'll tell it to what tokens to look at, and we'll do that later on by importing our tokens. And then the other thing is to tell it what network to look at. And we're going to do that right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back over to the Uniswap interface here. We are going to hit refresh. And we're going to go over here and click the button to connect wallet again. Now we're going to hit MetaMask. You should see this pop-up appears. This is just to say, yep, we're going to connect. Click next. Connect. Awesome. And so now what we've done is we've connected our wallet to Uniswap. Now is a part where we tell it to look at the right network. And this is by pressing this button here, which says connect to Arbitrum. This will create a prompt to add the Arbitrum network to the wallet. We hit approve. This is saying, would you like to switch from the Ethereum mainnet to Arbitrum? Click switch network. Awesome. So we now have our telescope is looking at the Arbitrum network. So we've done the first stage. We've been successful. We've created a MetaMask wallet that is now looking at the Arbitrum network. Well done on getting a wallet. It's honestly the hardest part. If you want to know how to get ETH onto that wallet, check out the next video.